Sky Organics Castor Oil Eyelash Serum is made of 100% pure cold-pressed castor oil, and it's USDA organic, which means I can feel good about applying it near my eyes. The fact that it's only a single ingredient is also amazing because I don't have to worry about any potential irritants, stimulants, or weird chemicals that a lot of other serums can have hidden inside. Castor oil is full of omega fatty acids and vitamin E, which really help condition and strengthen my lashes and my brow hairs to support new growth and to minimize fallout when I remove my makeup. The serum also comes with lash and brow applicators too, so it makes it super easy to apply. I just drop a small amount of the serum onto this liner brush. I wipe off the excess because a little bit goes a long way, and then I brush it along my lash lines. It's just like putting on eyeliner. For my brows, I just drop a bit of the serum onto this mascara brush, wipe off some of the excess, and then I brush the serum through my brows. And I sometimes use this brush to apply to my lashes as well, just like I'm putting on mascara. I do this every single night as the final step in my skincare routine. And on no makeup days, I'll use the serum during the day because I like to double up on those benefits. And because it's an oil, it helps my lashes look a little bit darker for that natural look. My favorite part about the serum is that it's completely natural. And it's a more long-term approach to lengthening your lashes and also to thickening your eyebrows. It doesn't have any of those harsh active ingredients that stop working once you stop using the product. Castor oil actually works, and you can see the serum working its magic in as little as 2 weeks. Trust me, what you've heard about castor oil is actually true. Just try it and see.